brother gon' rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, you grow hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Yo, set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. Good food, good mood, blood in circulation. One step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it. Set a goal you control and the steps you take them. I try to pick one thought, have some concentration. And if I make a mistake, it's called education. I try to do this every day, call it replication. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 So life ain't easy, yo, I think there's a reason though. Ups and downs, just like every different season, yo. Sometimes I'm high, other times I'm barely breathing, though. I always gotta fight and hide from the demons, yo. Negative thoughts are poison, they rot. Head full of flies, so here come the clouds. They'll never stop unless I can swap all the bad for the good in my head when I'm lost. Yeah, so I'ma fake it till I make it. Positive thoughts are overtaken, I got patience. One day at a time is how you operate a cadence. A flow, you grow, you show yourself a foundation. Stay away from all the shit that causes temptation. I know that I like to do it cause it's sensation. I live my life in my head like a narration. Don't expect greatness, do my best, man, I'll take it. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up.
Alright, as you guys have seen, she's almost ready. I got the final piece for the bike today, so I'm excited for that. This is the reason I'm excited for this is because we're gonna replace a cruddy looking chain. I hope we got some stickers in here too. That'd be dope. I don't know why I'm always more excited for the stickers. Boo. I doubt they're in here. Beautiful looking chain. Let's go. You guys are wondering why this chain? This is the same chain that the YZ has, and the YZ has $230.4 hours. Take care of your chain, she'll take care of you. More like take care of your bike, she'll take care of you. So we're almost done with this one. Let's get to it. I'm gonna take the old chain off. I'm gonna get this one right. I'm excited. We're almost done with this bike. Hell yeah. is finally done. That's good. I'll pull it out in the daylight tomorrow, get a nice view. CR. Hell yeah. Got a healthy run of CR, you know what I mean? She just needs to be cleaned out a little bit. Been sitting here for so long.